take on mimosas, but it's a little bit of family tradition put inside. First, you want to go to CVS Pharmacy or any local pharmacy that sells alcohol down the street. And the cheapest bottle of champagne you can find. I don't know anything about it. It's $8. Split 3 ways, it's pretty good odds. Then you want to open this shit. It's got some foil stuff up top, so just get your caveman knowledge. Doesn't have to be pretty. Not doing a photo shoot. And then this little twisty thing. Basically like a little wire that somebody just twisted up. You just want to twist it the opposite way, like a screw. Open her up. Careful now, because she's ready to blow. And then you want to ease this cork out. Some people cover it like this. Don't do that. Just like if you have your friends nearby, aim it at them. Don't aim it sideways, but like you get low to the ground and like find a good target. You never know when you're gonna be able to hit, and you never really know when it's gonna blow either. It's just like you gotta keep working it out, and then eventually it'll just go. I don't know. I'm really working this thing. Oh my god! Oh my arms are dead in the face. That's how you pop open a bottle of champagne, everybody. That's easy as that. Oh my god. I have no idea where it went. Alright, for mimosas, it's important to keep the glass flat, and you want the water or the spigot to hit this side. So you keep the foam down. A little tidbit from your old boy. If you pour it directly into the glass, it's gonna foam up and get real nasty. You want that, you want some clean pours, okay? We're not bartenders, but we're trying to be. Like that, shit, sorry. You forget to get the extra. And then for this orange juice, I'll go with Simply Orange, because it's GMO free, at least that's what it says, or non-GMO. This is pulp free, it's all they had.
For alcohol, pulp free is a little better. I don't want too much.
Get your vitamins. And then for this, there you go.
That's not good. Oh no.
That's a Bromosa, okay?
Oh my god.
I mean, it's silly size they have. We usually get the tiny ones.
Fuck, okay.
I'm just kidding.
No, let's go. Like a bro.
No, like a bro.
Oh. Uh-huh. That's it.
See here? You just can't give a fuck.
You just can't give a fuck.
Okay, and then instead of a cheer, it's called a bro cheer.
I'm just kidding. just don't give a fuck. Cheers. Just to not.
Don't try.
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's my favorite drink ever. Drinking nothing but mimosa all fucking day. I could do it.